Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to our channel, where we display the cutest and coziest knitted sweaters and frocks for your precious little bundle of joy. In this video, we present a delightful collection of handmade knitted garments that are perfect for keeping your baby warm and stylish. From charming sweaters adorned with playful patterns to elegant frocks featuring intricate designs, we have something to suit every taste and occasion. Whether you're dressing your baby for a casual day out or a special family gathering, our carefully curated selection has you covered. Each piece in our collection is crafted with love and attention to detail, ensuring both comfort and style for your little one. Made from soft, high-quality yarns, these garments are gentle on delicate skin and perfect for snuggling up in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more adorable outfit and inspired dress for your babies in the most adorable knitted creations. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adorable baby fashion inspiration. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye!